How to remove subscriber from your YouTube account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to remove subscriber from YouTube account. To remove the subscriber, you just have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, open up a YouTube application and then log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page, which will look something like this. Now here, as you can see, in my case, I only have 2 subscribers. So over here, what you can do is just click on see all, and then you will find the subscriber. So you could either go ahead and click on unsubscribe, or else you could go to their profile page or their account. And then what next you can do is click on the channel description and the more button and click on report user, and this should be able to remove subscriber from your YouTube account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.